Do you know what home improvement stores and beauty stores have in common? Sure, both are packed with lots of tools and products, but do you shop at them the same way? These are real skincare products that my patients have brought me. They're overwhelmed, frustrated, and trying to do the right thing, but most of them don't need more products. What they need is a plan. I'm Dr. Erum Ilyas, dermatologist and author of No Nonsense Skincare. Skincare doesn't need to be this complicated. What it needs is purpose. Products need an intent. So let's take a step back and ask, how did we get here? Over a century ago, a skincare routine may have just meant using the same soap for the laundry as you did for your skin. The word moisturizer was coined by marketers in the 1950s, and sunscreen was just finding its way to market, but not for the reasons you might think. The skincare steps and endless products directed at you has been driven primarily by marketing. Products created, purpose created, promises made, countertops filling up, and routines getting longer and longer, but not necessarily better. It's time to define a framework. Organize your approach, organize your countertop, and save yourself a lot of money and, importantly, some false hope. When it comes to a skincare routine, there are three steps that matter: cleanse, correct, protect. Let's simplify. Ask yourself, why am I cleansing? What's on my skin that needs to be cleaned in the first place? What issues am I correcting? And could a product even achieve what I want it to? What am I protecting my skin from? If a product doesn't have a clear job, it doesn't earn a spot on your countertop. So walking in a beauty store should feel like walking into a home improvement store. You don't need every tool to fix a problem, you just need the right ones, used with purpose. Skincare works exactly the same way. This series will walk you through each step by age, by skin concern, and real life. My goal and the goal of my book, No Nonsense Skincare, is not to sell you more products, but to help you build a routine with what you already have, one that makes sense. If this was helpful, subscribe and stay tuned. Next, we start at the beginning. What is cleansing?